Lenovo IdeaPad 1, 15AMN7. Compact and efficient Lenovo IdeaPad 1. Step into efficiency and style with the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 15AMN7. Featuring the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor, this laptop is designed to handle your daily tasks effortlessly. Processor AMD Ryzen 5 7520U, 4C, 8T, 2.8, 4.3 GHz. Storage 512 GB SSD M.2 PCIe NVMe. Memory 8 GB soldered LPDDR5 RAM. Graphics integrated AMD Radeon 610M graphics. Display 15.6 inches HD, 1366x768, Tennessee 220 nits anti-glare display. Camera HD 720p with privacy shutter. Keyboard non-backlit, English, EU. Touchpad buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch. Battery integrated 42 watt-hours. Power adapter 65W round tip, 3-pin.